Namaste. After a short delay, I am going to present once again the single act play Bhagavad Gita, scene third, which deals with Bhakti Yoga. Let's start with the single act play, scene third, Bhakti Yoga. Krishna, how many kinds of worshippers are there? There are four kinds of bhaktas. Artha means suffering one, the seeker after knowledge, the wealth seeker, and the wise. Who is the best of these? All are noble, but the Jnani is the best. I am dear to the wise, and he is dear to me. Which is the easiest path, O Krishna, for realizing you? The easiest is the path of devotion. He who constantly thinks of me, not thinking even of another, but him I am easily reached, O Parth. Maev man adatsvaha, mai buddhim niveshayah, nivshyasi maev at, urdhavam na sanshayah. Fix your mind, therefore, on me alone. Place your intellect in me. Then you shall, without doubt, live in me alone. This is Jnana Yoga. Krishna, this is very difficult. O Dhananjaya, if you are unable to fix your mind on me, then by constant practice, you will reach to me. This is Raja Yoga. Athichitam samadhatum na shaknoshi mai sthiram abhyas yogena tatho machichhaptum dhananjayah. O Krishna, even this appears difficult. If I am not able to do this, can you suggest me an easier path? Abhyase apaye samartho asi mat karma paramo bhava mad arthamapi karmani kurvan siddhim vapsayasi. If you are unable to do even this, then be intent on doing action for my sake. Even by doing action for my sake, you can attain perfection. This is Bhakti Yoga. O Krishna, what happens to me if I cannot do even this? Can I realize you by simpler methods? Athaitam apashya shakto ashi kartum madhyogam ashitah sarva karma phalatyagam tatha kuru yatah atmavan. If you are unable to do even this, then self-controlled and taking refuge in me, renouncing all fruits of actions, you come to me. This is Karma Yoga. Better indeed is knowledge than practice. Meditation is better than knowledge. Renunciation of fruits of action is indeed better than meditation. Peace immediately follows such renunciation. What do Jnana and Abhyasa mean here? Jnana here means theoretical knowledge of Brahma, got through study of books. Abhyasa is Hatha Yoga, or the practice of asana, pranayam, and others. How can karmafal tyaga, or the renunciation of fruits of action, be superior to dhyana or meditation, O Krishna? O Arjun, I only intended it as a praise or stuti of karma yoga. Who is a better yogi? He or she who worships the unmanifested, or one who worships the saguna aspect of Brahma? O Arjun, he or she who with his or her mind fixed on me, ever harmonized, worships me in my manifested form, endowed with faith supreme, he is indeed the best in yoga, in my opinion. The path of one who worships the unmanifested is hard for the embodied to reach. Can a bhakta also attain wisdom, Brahmagyan? Yes, most certainly. To the bhakta, ever harmonious, worshipping me with love, I give discrimination, by which he comes to me. I destroy the ignorance born of darkness in him, by the shining lamp of wisdom. By devotion, the bhaktas know me in essence, who and what I am. Having thus know me in essence, he henceforth enters into the supreme. The highest Purusha, O Parth, may be reached by unswearing devotion to him alone. By devotion to me alone, I may thus be perceived, Arjun, and know and seen in essence and entered, O Pranatap. O Lord, what is the fate of a sinner? Can he also attain salvation? Yes, most certainly. Even the worst sinner can cross all over sins by the raft of wisdom. As the burning fire reduces fuel to ashes, O Arjuna, so does the fire of wisdom reduce all the effects of actions to ashes. Even if the most sinful worship me with undivided heart, he too must be accounted righteous, because he has rightly resolved. Shipram bhavati dharmatma shashchante nigacchati kaunte pratijanini na me bhakta pranashati. Speedily he becomes dutiful and attains eternal peace. O Kaunte, know this for certain, that my devotee never perishes. My devotee never perishes. Bhakta pranashayati. How should I worship you? Manmana bhava bhadbhakto madjayati ma namskuru mam avyashi yukta evam atmanam matparana. Fix your mind on me, be devoted to me, sacrifice to me, prostrate yourself before me, harmonize you in the self. Taking me as your supreme goal, you will come to me. How can I do self-surrender to you? यत् करोषि यद् शनासि यज्जुहोषि ददासि यत् पश्यसि कौन्तेय यत् कुरुष्व मदर्पणम्. Whatever you does, whatever you eat, whatever you offer, whatever you give, whatever you practice as austerity, O Kaunteya, you can offer that to me. Mad arpanam. Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhaktayah prayachati तदहम भक्त उपहृतम अश्यानि प्रतात्मनः. Do everything with sincere devotion. He who offers to me with devotion a leaf, a flower, a fruit, water that I accept, offered by the pure-minded with devotion. Further, to those devotees who worship me alone, thinking of no other, who are ever harmonious, I bring full security. Ananya Asya Chintayanto Man ye jana Paryupapsate Tesham Nityabhyuktanam Yogshemam Vahameham. There are those who always think of me and engage in me. To them whose minds are always absorbed in me, I provide what they lack and I preserve what they already possess. Kindly tell me, O Lord, all about your divine glories. I have a very strong desire to know them. I shall tell you now, O Arjun. Kindly hear with rapt attention. I, O Gudakesh, am the Atma seated in the hearts of all beings. I am Ashwathama or Ashwatha of all trees. I am Kapila among the Munis. I am Narda among the divine Rishis. I am Bhrigu among the Maharishis. I am Jap Yajna among the sacrifices. I am Himalayas among the immovable things. I am Samaved among the Vedas. I am the mind among the senses. I am the sun among radiances. I am Sanskar among Rudraks. I am Skand among generals. The Brihaspati among priests. I am ocean among lakes. I am Kamdhenu among cows. I am Yama among governors. I am Prahlad among Daityas. I am time among calculators. I am Ram among warriors. I am Ganga among rivers. I am the first alphabet among the letters. I am the one syllable Om of speech. I am Gayatri among meters. I am Vasanta Ritu among the season. I am Margashirsha among months. I have now understood about your vibhutis, my Lord. I now wish to behold your omnipotent form. Show me your Virat Roop. You cannot see me with your physical eyes. I shall give you the divine eye. Behold now my Virat Roop. O Lord, within your form, I see the gods, the rishis, the divine serpents, and all grades of beings. I see you everywhere. The earth and heavens are filled by your and by you alone. I see you mighty form. I see your mighty form with many mouths and eyes. In your vast form, the universe is spread. I have no strength to behold this Virat form. I tremble with fear. I again wish to see your form with your 4 hands, Vasudev. Pashyami devanstava devdehe sarvatma sthatah bhut vishesh sargan brahmanam amisham kamlasthanat rishishcha sarvanu nuragasya divyan. I see all the gods, O God, in your body, and host of various classes of beings. Brahma, the Lord, seated on the lotus, all the sages and the celestial serpents. Anek bahu darvaktra netram pashyami tvam sarvot anantarupam nantam na madhyam na punastavidam pashyami vishveshwar vishvarupam. I see your boundless form on every side, with many arms, stomachs, mouths and eyes. Neither the end nor the middle nor also the beginning do I see. O Lord of the universe, O cosmic form, Tvam Aksharam Paramam Vedi Atvayam Tvamasya Vishwasya Param Nidanam Tvam Avyayah Shashvat Dharma Goptah Sanatanastam Purusho Matome. You are the imperishable, the supreme being, worthy to be known. You are the great treasure house of this universe. You are the imperishable protector of the eternal dharma. You are the primal person I deemed. Anadi, Madhya Ananta, Anantam Anantaviryam, Mananta Bahum, Shashi Surya Netram, Pashyami Tvam Diptuhu, Tashavkatram, Swastejasaha, Vishwamidam, Tapantam. I see you without beginning, middle or end, infinite in power of endless arms, the sun and the moon being your eyes, burning fire your mouth, heating the whole universe with your radiance. Kasmacham, Kasmach, Tena, Namirna Mahatmana, Gariyase Brahmane, Apyadi Karte, Anant Devesh Jagat Nivas, Tvam Aksharam Satat Param Yat. And why should they not, O great soul, bow to you, who are greater than all else, the primal cause even for the Creator? O infinite being, O Lord of the gods, O abode of the universe, you are imperishable, the being, the non-being, and that which is the supreme, that which is beyond the being and the non-being. Tvamadi Devaha Purusha Puranastvamam Sahe Vishwasya Param Nidanam वेदासि वेदं च परं च धाम त्वय्ततं विश्वमनत रूपम. You are the primal God, the ancient Purusha, the supreme refuse of this universe, the knower, the knowable, and the supreme abode. By you is the universe pervaded, O being of infinite forms. Vayur Moh Agni Varuna Shashankah Prajapatistvam Prapitamahascha Namo Namastastu Sahasrakritva Punyasya Cha Bhuyo Api Namo Namaste. You are Vayu, Yama, Agni, Varuna, the moon, the creator and the great grandfather. Salutations, salutations to you 1,000 times and again. Salutations, salutations to you, Krishna. Namaha Purustadat Prishtataste Namastu Te Sarvat Eva Sarvam Anant Virya Amit Vikramastavam Sarvam Samapnoshi Tato Asi Sarvah. Salutation to you in front and behind, salutation to you on every side, O all, you infinite in power and prowess, pervadest all, wherefore you are all. Pitasi lokasya characharasya tomasya pujasya cha gurur gariyan natvast moasatya bhaidhikam kuto anyo lokatraye apaye pratim prabhav. You are the Father of this world, moving and unmoving. You are to be adored by this world. You are the greatest Guru. None there exists who is equal to you. How then could there be another superior to you in the three worlds? O being of unequaled power! Tasmat pranamaya pranidhaya kayam prasadhe tvam aham isham idayam pitve putrayasya sakheva sakhiyuh priyah priyayah arhasi deva sodham. Therefore, bowing down, prostrating my body, I crave your forgiveness, O Lord. As a father forgives his son, a friend his dear friend, a lover his beloved, even so shouldst you forgive me, O God. Adrishtapurvam harshito asmi drishtava bhayencha pravayatitham mano me tadev me darshaya dev rupam prasid devesh jagnivas. I am delight having seen what has never been seen before, and yet my mind is distressed with fear. Show me that previous form only. O God, have mercy. O God of gods, O abode of the universe. Kiritinam gadinam chakrahasta michhami tvam drishtuham tathav tenav rupen chaturbhujen sahasrabaho bhav vishvamurte. I desire to see you as before, crowned, bearing a mace with the discus in hand, in your former form only, having your 4 arms, O 1,000 arms cosmic form. I want to see you as before.